Well, today we are going to learn the procedure on how to calibrate your foot clutch on a UT6000 or UT6500 series tractor. Here, let's get in the cab and start working on the procedure. Okay, so now that we're in the cab, first thing that we're going to do is make sure that the key is in the off position. The gear shifter and range shifter are both in the neutral position as well. If your travel direction shifter is in neutral, we will go ahead and put that into the forward position. And we are going to come down to the brake pedals and we are going to rotate this bar so it unlinks the brakes. So now you have one side pedal and the other side pedal not linked together. Next, you will take and hold down the increase button, and while you are holding the increase button, you are going to turn the key to the on position. So let's go ahead and do that now. So this is holding increase and turning the key to the on position. If done properly, the forward lamp will come on and then the neutral light will blink 4 times. At this moment, you have properly entered the clutch sensor calibration mode. All right, first step to calibrating the lower limit of your clutch sensor is you are going to push in the clutch pedal to the furthest lower limit. When you have that set, next you will come to the increase decrease button. You will take and then you will push the decrease button. Once you do push the decrease button, your neutral lamp will flash at that moment. Now you can take your hand off of the decrease button switch and take your foot off of the clutch pedal. Now your lower limit is defined. All right, to set the upper limit of the clutch, you will take and pull up on the clutch pedal to make sure that it is in the utmost position. Next, you'll come over to the increase decrease button and then hold down the increase switch. When you are doing that, the neutral lamp should flash again. That will let you know that the calibration has been successful for setting the upper limit. At this moment, you can take and let go of the increase button and you can go ahead and shut the tractor off. And at this moment, your tractor is now properly calibrated for the clutch position sensor. You may go ahead and drive your tractor now and test it out. Be sure that you are in an open area when first testing out your clutch.